This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Skip Watwood. Beautiful country property west/ocean views and a private setting. Meadows and terraces surrounded by Doug Fir trees. The open and spacious floor plan in the kitchen and living area has lots of windows, vaulted ceilings to let the outside beauty in. The primary suite has a recently remodeled bathroom. There is a 1,200 square feet pole building to house you boats, RVs, toys and /0 hobbies. Room for gardening and/or animals. There are also 3 complete RV connections for long-term storage. Watch both virtual and drone tours. For more information, review the details below or contact Skip Watwood at 541-661-1504.